Today, we're diving into the world of artificial intelligence powered content creation with Writesonic. This powerful tool helps you generate high quality content in a fraction of the time, freeing you to focus on your creative vision. So, buckle up and get ready to turbocharge your content creation process. Let's begin by navigating Writesonic's user-friendly interface. The platform offers a clean and intuitive layout with various tools organized into categories like Audiosonic, VozSonic, AI Writer 5, Jazzsonic, and Photosonic. Pretty much everything that a typical content creator needs in this day and age. So, Writesonic also offers a diverse range of content creation options like creating a new document or start a new chat like ChatGPT, write an article, view templates, generate a new image, or text to human like speech. Whether you need a captivating blog post intros, attention grabbing social media captions, or even comprehensive product descriptions, Writesonic has you covered. Simply select the desired content type from the menu and let the AI magic begin. Writesonic thrives on user input. Each content creation tool requires a brief prompt to guide the AI. This prompt could be a keyword, a product description, or even an outline of your desired content. The more specific your prompt, the better the AI can understand your intentions and generate relevant content. So now I'm going to choose AI Writer 5.0 just because I want a blog post for just because I want a blog post for the ideas that I have for my website. So you could enter a prompt here. So for example, I really like a topic about learning, how to learn here. Or you could add links to some articles to to give Writesonic some kind of reference and files for reference to. So I don't have any, so I'm gonna let Writesonic to do the work himself. And there you go. There are 8 ideas of an article for me to compare, contrasting between ideas, and then sum it up, and then integrate all of those things into a very comprehensive and very detailed article. So I can choose from from so I can choose up to 10 articles. So I'm going to choose all of it, and then I'm going to hit next here to say how Writesonic would integrate all of the articles right here. So I'm gonna hit generate article if you want to go to the result right away, or you could add some additional information, some keywords for SEO, brand voice or tone voice, quality type, language. Okay, I'm gonna hit generate article right now. Confirm. Okay, you can see here is writing on the go. And those 8 articles is integrated into one single article right here. How crazy is that, right? Power of chunking, overcoming procrastination and enhancing memory. So I have followed some influencer who has deep level of knowledge into the learning space. So I could see some familiar concepts over these articles. These are very legit. I hardly saw errors that I need to correct. The AI just does the work for you. And not only that, so if you don't want to use the whole article, just use it for reference, you know, to learn a new content, for example, if you wanted to. So you can share this document to public for a public link or download it for Microsoft Word, PDF, HTML, and export into WordPress to publish on your own website over here. So even when the articles seems to be perfect, but when you look into the details, there might be some minor errors. Then you need to fine tune and add your own voice to make the content truly your own. You can adjust the tone, the style, and structure to perfectly match your brand and target audience. So these are the options that you can choose to select the brand voice, to add some additional information, to personalize your article right here. Remember, AI is a powerful tool, not a replacement for your creativity. Use Writesonic to generate ideas, overcome writer's block, and experiment with different writing styles. Let the AI do the heavy lifting while you focus on the unique aspects that only you can bring to your content. By leveraging the power of Writesonic, you can create high quality content that engages your audience and drives results. Whether you're a seasoned writer or just starting out, Writesonic can help you to unlock your creative potential and take your content to the next level. Don't hesitate to experiment and explore the full range of features Writesonic offers to see how it can transform your content creation process.